This is going to be a review of these sticker tile sheets. They are super nice.
Get 10 to a pack. They have a clear protective film over them. And then they're kind of hard to get off there. Very sticky. This will damage your wall. If you try to pull it off, it may take paint with it. Definitely, I tried to redo one and it took some paint with it. So I wouldn't say renter friendly.
These are 12 by 12.
I think so.
Looks like it's just over 12 by 12 actually.
But you overlap these grout lines.
Yeah, you overlap, that's true.
Yeah, and
so
those,
actually,
it really helps that you can overlap those grout lines.
It's almost exactly 12 by 12 when you consider that you overlap the grout lines a little bit.
Started with an X-Acto knife, quickly decided scissors are the way to go. I do think a white grout line here will help a lot to make it look more real. Like here, there was some space between the back of the counter, but I think a caulk line
We'll hide that.
Yeah, and also help them go down further.
You can cut around the outlets pretty easily.
Scissors for all of it.
And then the outlet cover will just kind of cover up the excess.
I do all my cutting with just scissors. I tried an X-Acto knife, but scissors is actually easiest. This is one of the hardest spots I've got. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install. Trickiest part might be getting this sticker off the paper, which is easier to do if you have a corner. You do want to be careful tearing. This is where there's cuts if you had to cut it. And then you just line up your grout lines. This is my trickiest spot in the whole job so far. There we go. That was the hardest panel in all the things. Well, everything I've done so far. That was the hardest. And it was not that hard. I think this would be a lot harder if it wasn't a grid pattern though. Like a lot harder to install if it wasn't grids.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. I'm Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, I'm on a quest to review literally everything sold on Amazon. So if there's something that you need a review of, literally just tell me. Let me know in a comment and I'll literally buy it and just review it for you. Literally.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.